Versions Technical Videos. Today we are using our part number 312 Z-bar adapter to install a factory Z-bar to a non-Chevy II engine block. Here we have a 1967 327 Chevy small block motor. Most Chevy engines Z-bars are attached with the engine ball stud at this point. The Chevy IIs use a threaded hole about here. This block doesn't have it, but it does have an extra bung threaded hole over here. So we take our Z-bar adapter and we bolt it down on both sides. Now, because of this, there's a little bit of interference with this piece of casting. I had to take a Z-bar adapter and grind a little spot off of it so it sits nice and flat on this particular block. Also, this ball stud should be coming out approximately like a 45 degrees. So this part here sometimes needs to be bent. This is an original one. And I bent it in a vise right here. So you screw the ball stud in, put a 1/2 inch nut on the other side, and then the Z-bar slides over this ball stud about like that, and we'll pivot on here. Thank you for watching 4-Speed Conversions Technical Videos.